crap. You spend money on LIGO crapola, billions and billions of dollars. I'm just asking you to put up a little bit for the trouble.
I am putting up.
I'll commission the experiment to be done. Okay, by
no need. I got the proof.
Okay, nice machined things, nicely done. It's going to be really kind of simple. Okay, it's just going to be things rolling, and then they're going to hit a spring or they're going to hit a lever, and they're going to exchange their energy.
Blah blah
see
blah.
What they exchange, and there won't be any noise, and there won't be any sounds, and there won't be any of this bullshit for you to say half the energy disappeared in some bizarre way. All right, we'll agree on the experiment. You'll tell me you're predicting a certain result. You say something has twice as much energy as this thing. We're going to drop the two things, so to speak, on a real spring, and we're going to see if they have twice as much energy, okay? So, fuck you in this bullshit. I'm asking you, let's do the experiment. Unless you have the experiment already done somewhere. So if you just link
it's already been done,
already done
many times.
You got these 400 or 500 joules of energy out.
Oh, yeah, we'll prove it.
Show me.
I will show you.
That, then the whole thing is moot, okay? And you win.
I do win.
You can't provide any evidence.
But I can.
You bastard.
Yep.
You piece of shit. Anyway.
Oh, Gary. Right. Your own video shows this. It takes 4 times the energy to move a mass 4 times the distance. Any rational person would agree with that. And your own video shows that it takes quadruple the energy to double the velocity, right? So we've got these bits of paper where we've been doing the math, and we can prove that something 4 times the height has 4 times the energy. And the equation 1/2 mv squared. Now this if you do 1/2 of the mass at 1 kilogram, and the final velocity, it's only 4.905 meters, but the final velocity is 9.81 meters a second. So 1/2 of that times the 1 kilogram mass times 9.81 squared equals this answer right here, 48.11805 joules. Now, I've double checked these calculations, they are 100% correct. If you move the object to 4 times the height, now the first one is 4.905 meters, and the second one is 4 times the height, which is 19.62 meters, right? You agree on that? And here's the formula. This is for gravitational potential energy. You multiply the mass times the gravity times your height, and you end up with this number here, 48.11805. Now if you take it up 4 times the height, you end up with exactly 4 times the energy. Now I did this on my handheld calculator. I also used an online calculator. All the figures agree. So we go back to the original sheet here. It takes 4 times the energy to move a mass 4 times the distance. And also we say to double the velocity, it takes quadruple the energy. And that's simply just dropping a 1 kilogram mass. You can do this in any comparison. As long as the ratio of heights is 1 to 4, you'll always get a 1 to 4 outcome. And that is 1/2 of m energy is equal to 1/2 of mv squared. And there is your proof. Undeniable proof. So stop trying to mislead people with your sophistry and your false physics, which is undeniably wrong, right? I don't have to call your names. All I've got to do is prove you wrong, which I've done here. There's the math. There's the experiment. I've done this experiment in college. I remember it well. There is your proof. So just drop that little error that you're propagating out there to the masses, and just realise that energy, kinetic energy, is equal to 1/2 of mv squared. Don't worry about elastic or inelastic or delayed time transitions. That's the formula. 100% correct. Okay? Little tiny video. I just couldn't take it anymore. I saw you criticising everyone and calling people names and carrying on like you're some guru, which you're obviously not. There's your proof on your physics of motion. Read it and weep.